In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete messages on Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open Slack on your desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the channel or direct message where all of those messages are hanging out that you want to clean up. It can be a bit overwhelming when you have a lot of messages, so getting to the right spot is crucial. Now, if you just want to remove a few messages quickly, you can do that too. Start by hovering your cursor over a message that you sent. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear on the right side of the message. This is the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click that, and then select Delete Message. You'll be prompted to confirm that you really want to delete it, so just go ahead and confirm. Voila, that message is now gone. But what if you've got a lot of messages to delete? Maybe you're looking to do a little spring cleaning on your Slack account. Well, there's a way to make this whole process much more efficient. Instead of scrolling through each channel or direct message one by one, you can utilize the search bar in Slack. This is a fantastic tool to help you sift through your messages more quickly. Click on the search bar and use a filter to search by your own name. You can type in something like from @me, which will show you a list of all the messages you've sent. This simplifies things greatly because now you can jump to any message you want to delete without having to hunt for it. Once you see your past messages pop up, you can start the deletion process again by hovering over the messages you want to remove. Click the three-dot icon, choose Delete Message, and confirm. It's like a mini assembly line where you can knock out several messages one after another. Keep in mind that you can generally only delete your own messages unless you have special workspace admin privileges. If you're not an admin, focus on your own messages to keep things manageable. This process can feel a bit tedious if you have a lot to delete, but it's really the best way to keep your Slack tidy and organized. And remember, it's not just about deleting messages. It's about maintaining an effective workspace. You want your channels and conversations to be relevant and clean, so don't hesitate to take the time to do this. So, there you have it. You now know how to bulk delete messages on Slack. Just navigate to the conversation, delete each message individually, or streamline your process using the search filters to find your messages quicker. Repeating the hover and delete step may take some time, but it's definitely worth it in the end. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide on bulk deleting messages on Slack helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more tips like this.